Terminal 2 at Singapore's Changi Airport will suspend operations for 18 months from May. The move comes as global air travel grinds to a virtual halt due to the coronavirus. Transport Minister Koh Boon Wan has told Parliament the move will help lower running costs for the airport operator and its partners. Nisha Rahim has more.
Changi Airport is deserted, planes have been grounded, retail and F&B outlets are suffering, and their workers have taken huge pay cuts.
I met them often, face to face, at the airport over the weeks. And as the virus grew into a global pandemic, I saw increasing fear in their eyes. The last time I experienced this was during SARS. This time it's even more serious.
Mr. Kaur noted that the government is responding robustly by giving companies cash grants for workers' salaries and waiving the airport development levy. But it isn't business as usual, he said, and so operations at Terminal 2 will be suspended. Carriers including Singapore Airlines will be reallocated across the remaining terminals. Operations at Terminal 4 may be suspended too, if the remaining small number of flights operating there have their schedules suspended or adjusted. Besides cost savings, T2's freeze may help speed up its expansion by up to a year. It's currently expected to be completed by 2024.
One terminal is enough to handle the current volume of demand. We can close down 1 or 2 terminals. But we must think about post-pandemic recovery. While full recovery this year is unlikely, partial recovery next year is probable. We must be ready to lead and to ride the recovery when it happens.
Mr. Kaur noted that connectivity defines Singapore as a global city, and the Changi Air Hub is crucial to its role as a business, manufacturing and R&D hub.
In this ecosystem, SIA is the anchor. If it were to collapse, it will undermine our ability to recover from the crisis. And many Singaporeans depend on Changi Airport for a living. That is why we took swift action to support the air hub, to prevent the loss of strategic capabilities and our hard-earned position as a reliable air hub.
Responding to CNA about what the latest developments mean for Terminal 5, the Transport Ministry said project timelines may be affected if the COVID-19 outbreak drags on. That's because supplies of equipment, materials and manpower may be disrupted. Terminal 5 is expected to be one of the world's largest when it opens in the early 2030s.